Today we're unboxing the FTR33038M, one of the latest additions to our range of cooling water strainers. It's not a secret that the original FTR330 has been a crowd pleaser for years and performs great above the waterline. This new heavy-duty version, however, takes it up a notch, featuring a housing made from our proprietary composite polymer blend called NAVIDURIN and a sturdy metal lid. It's designed to perform under pressure and capable of withstanding an incredible amount of heat. So let's see what's inside of the box. The first thing you will notice is its compact size, which makes it easy to install in almost any space aboard your boat. Then we have the easily removable metal lid with a transparent cover, which makes the inspection of the filter a breeze. The NAVIDURIN housing with 38mm hose connections, the polypropylene filter element, and lastly, a printed manual. All in all, a quite simple but extremely sturdy product that will last you for years to come. Please refer to the manual whenever you're installing any of our products. For more information about this and other products, head on over to our website www.vetus.com. Thanks for watching.